Want to reward your team with a bonus? Processing it correctly in ADP ensures proper tax withholding and accurate reporting. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. In the Payroll module, when starting a new payroll, you'll add a separate earnings line for the bonus. Select the appropriate bonus pay type, e.g., bonus, non-production bonus. Enter the amount for each eligible employee. ADP will apply the IRS supplemental tax rate, a flat 22% for federal income tax, or 37% if over $1 million, to these amounts by default, which is different from regular wage withholding. The bonus will then be included in the employee's gross pay on their check. My crucial pro tip: communicate the tax impact to employees. Bonuses often have more tax withheld up front, which can surprise employees when they see their check. A quick note explaining that it's taxed differently and will reconcile at tax time can prevent confusion. Just like that, you can celebrate your team's success with a perfectly processed reward. Do you give discretionary bonuses, performance bonuses, or annual holiday bonuses? Let me know in the comments. If you like guides that help with special payroll situations, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.